Right, grade 12 functions, problematic problem. So this is not really problematic. Given g of x equals 6x minus 2 minus 1, write down the equation of the asymptotes of g. So we have the equation for hyperbola. So my asymptotes, x equal minus 2, y equal minus 1. So the x value always changes sign, y stays as it appears. So then x equal minus 2, y equal minus 1. 4.2, very basic, return work, calculate the y-intercept of g. So we should know y-intercept, make x 0. So that would be 6 divided by 2 minus 1. So there, y-intercept x is 0, 6 over 0 plus 2 minus 1. 6 divided by 2, I assume you know is 3. 3 minus 1 gives me 2. So my y-intercept is x 0 and 2. Next question, x-intercept of g. So to get the x-intercept, we make y equal to 0. So 0 equals 6x plus 2 minus 1. First take minus 1 across, becomes positive 1. That gives me 6 over x plus 2. Cross multiply, 1 times x plus 2 is x plus 2 equal 6. Take 2 over, 6 minus 2, x equal 4. So my x-intercept, 4 and 0. Right, hope you follow. 4.3, draw the graph of g. So they want us to draw the graph of the hyperbola. So first I insert my asymptotes. Right, vertical asymptote, x equal minus 2. So there x minus 2. Horizontal asymptote, y equal minus 1. So there that is minus 1. Right, then my y-intercept, 0 and 2. You see there's my y-intercept, 0 and 2. And my x-intercept, 4 and 0. So there my x-intercept, 4 and 0. So I draw my line through that 2 points. This line I can just draw and we mark. 1 mark for asymptote, 1 mark for intercepts, and 1 mark for shapes. Very important that you get used to it and you know how to do it. 4.4, determine the equation of the line of symmetry that has a negative gradient. So negative gradient in the form y equal to. So to get equation of line of symmetry, negative gradient means x must be negative. I just use y equal minus x plus p plus q. There my p value equals minus 2, my q value minus 1. So substitute p minus 2, q minus 1. That gives me minus 2 minus 1 minus 3x equal negative x minus 3. They use that approach. Or there they've taken out negative as a common factor. Right, 4.5, determine the values of x where the hyperbola is bigger than my line of symmetry. That equation bigger than that. So if I had to draw in my line of symmetry, it would basically go through there. This point here should be minus 3. So as you can see on this side of my asymptotes, the line of symmetry is higher than g, so there it's bigger. And on this side of my line of symmetry, as you can see, my hyperbola is higher than my line of symmetry. So there, x must be bigger than negative 2. When the x becomes bigger than that, g is bigger than line of symmetry. So therefore my answer, x bigger than negative 2. Hope you follow, hope you understand. All the best. God bless.